These are two young pawpaw trees sitting in a wood chipped bed with a ground cover of running comfrey. This comfrey is called Heat Coat Blue. Really good for building organic matter. You can see how it's just died back and creates all this topsoil feeding nutrients. Holds moisture, keeps down the weeds. I use it a lot. These young pawpaws started out in these really cool shade tubes by Wesco. That just helps them for the first year or two to make sure that they aren't getting too hot and dry. The wood chip bed though is really where these are getting their head start. This wood chip bed's about 6 feet wide. It was originally put down at like 12 inches deep. Let it sit for a year, came back, started planting into it, and now in year 3, it's super rich soil underneath. It holds all the moisture it needs. It has lots of fungal environment that the pawpaws love. This is really one of the best, simplest designs for establishing really any fruit tree. This here is a select crab apple. Now in the mid-Atlantic, we have a lot of challenge growing apples, pears. They get a lot of blight. This one is an exceptional one. This is Everest crab apple. I got this from Nursery, and it is already being very prolific. And you can see the leaves aren't really troubled by disease, which is unheard of, you know, in our neck of the woods for something that's not treated at all. And this one's not. Now, of course, the wood chips and the comfrey really create the fungal environment and the consistent moisture that help keep trees healthy and more disease-free as well. Love it. Pawpaws, comfrey, wood chips, permaculture.